In a pool of hundreds, thousands, millions of students, how can you make your university application stand out? Today, we've invited a special guest just to explain how. So keep watching this video and let's find out.
吳老師，阿東今日成點啊？佢以前小學嗰時候問題又唔識問，功課又做唔完，今日成得唔得㗎？
吓，唔係喎，阿東今次考得好好喎嚇，90幾分喎。
冇可能嘅喎，你係咪出貓？
啱冇咁講，阿東好努力嘅，佢冇出貓，反而我覺得好有潛質喎，數學呢一科，佢係咪好有興趣咧？
中意呢一科最淺嘅，其實咧佢有時候都幾有邏輯、幾理性嘅。
咁樣啦，咁我反而覺得你可以考慮下參加呢個 Olympiad Math 嘅 competition。
Olympic Math competition 參加奧運
？Something. When you click this video, you probably want to know what Olympiad Math is. And this parent is not completely wrong by saying Olympic. Just like the famous sports event, the Olympiad Math Competition is an international math competition held annually for high school students from all over the world, especially for those with passion and talents to solve difficult equations and calculations. Here is the thing, Hong Kong schools are tough, right? But Olympiad Math is like leveling up. When your kid competes globally, suddenly exams feel way less scary. Imagine your child sitting in a room with featured geniuses from over 100 countries in the world. The connections alone are wild. Plus, top universities recognize these competitions. It's like a golden ticket for STEM programs. Let's be real, everyone has good grades these days, but Olympiad experience
Wow, this kid's different.
Factor for admissions officers. Don't just take my words for granted. Let's hear from the students themselves.
I think Olympiad Math is a good opportunity to get better exposure and apply different mathematical concepts in real application.
After hearing from our students, the Olympiad Math competition sparks the deeper understanding in math, improves the problem-solving skills, and also this is the foundation for success in STEM. It is where perseverance meets innovation. Participating in such events will allow you to stay ahead of your peers, and also it will highlight your initiative and willingness to explore new challenges. Also, universities will recognize and appreciate your value and commitment. That's it. You're frozen the entire time?
好啊，咁如果你想小朋友參加呢個比賽，可以隨時聯絡我哋。我哋都有 Olympiad Math 嘅呢個 course 可以去參加，都係記得 subscribe 同埋 like 我哋嘅 channel 啦，同埋我哋就下條片見啦。